There are many different attachments that you can fit to a forklift. Forklift jib attachments are a common type of attachment for forklift trucks and are designed to slide and secure easily onto forklift tines. Used to lift and transport heavy, awkward, and long loads with ease and accuracy. Forklift jibs are frequently used in factories, warehouses, construction sites, and workshops. Tine extensions or fork slippers are attachments that slip over the standard pair of tines on a forklift. They are commonly referred to as fork slippers. These tine extensions temporarily increase the length of standard forklift tines so that more stability is acquired to balance specific loads. A work platform, personnel cage, or man cage is a forklift attachment that enables a person to be safely lifted. Forklift drum attachments are specifically made to lift, transport, and handle industrial drums swiftly, safely, and efficiently. They reduce the danger of harm and are a cost-effective solution. This forklift drum carrier and rotator is used as a forklift attachment to convert your forklift into a drum handler. This forklift drum carrier and rotator is used as a forklift attachment to convert your forklift into a drum handler. Forklift carpet pole attachments are used to load and unload rolled materials into carpet racks. Paper roll clamps allow you to handle paper rolls regardless of diameter, weight, or type of paper. The paper roll clamp attachment is commonly used in the paper handling industry. This attachment is suitable for different types of machines. Here are some applications that commonly use bale clamps: cotton and wool, flax, foam rubber blocks, hay, paper products, pulp, including compressed and soft cellulose, rags and recycled clothing, recycled paper and plastics. The best way to find out how to secure an attachment to the forklift is found in the manufacturer's instructions. On the forklift data plate is where you would find the rated lifting capacity for a forklift and any attachment used. When you add a different attachment to a forklift, what will be the most likely effect to the forklift's lifting capacity? The lifting capacity will be reduced. When using a jib attachment on a forklift, additional caution is required. What effect does a jib attachment have on a forklift? Any of the following: reduces stability, reduces lifting capacity, load swinging, change center of gravity. To maintain the stability of the forklift and the load, a side shift attachment should be centralized.